Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will be able to recreate all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, or you will be able to log in right now. If you're not sure how to do it, how to add the Google account to this device, no worries, just check our tutorial of how to do it. I've just recorded it. So all we have to do right now after logging in is to tap on this circle, which is your account. So tap on the circle in the right upper corner and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and as you can see here we've got the list of all installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. As you can see, in my case I've got 8 apps, so if I want to I can mark all of them and update all, but if not, you can mark like 2 or 3. Just choose those which you'd like to update and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn it off, everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.